As a registered cylinder requalification facility in compliance with Title 49 Code of Federal Regulations, Ahern provides testing, recharging, and rebuilding of fire suppression equipment from fire extinguishers to highly complex fire suppression systems. We perform routine maintenance and quality control for your fire extinguishers and fire suppression systems to help you keep your building safe and up to date with all fire suppression-related safety regulations. When your fire suppression systems and equipment require testing, our certified technicians perform in-house hydrostatic testing for high-pressure and low-pressure cylinders. Whether your rechargeable type fire extinguishers require recharging due to inspection or recent discharge, our field technicians fill your extinguishers to exact specifications, keeping you safe and within compliance. In addition to maintenance, testing, and recharging, our field technicians provide valuable training services to ensure your team is capable and ready to use your fire suppression systems in case of a fire. When it comes to your building's safety, trust in Ahern's fire extinguisher recharging and testing to keep your fire suppression systems functioning efficiently.